CIS is the largest provider of mental health services in schools in Harris County, and the need for mental health support has risen exponentially over the past 10 years. I'm Shubhra, and I've been a member of the CIS family for 24 years. I was at the table for the launch of the CIS Mental Health Initiative in 2012. CIS started on 5 campuses serving 300 students. In 2023, we are on 94 campuses serving more than 6,000 students, and there are thousands more who need our help. The CIS Mental Health Initiative has 3 main components: full-time licensed mental health professionals on campuses, the CIS Mobile Mental Health Team, and mental health community partners. As the need for mental health support continues to skyrocket, CIS is committed to our students and families.
I love working with CIS because I get the opportunity to build meaningful, therapeutic, and personal relationships with students. I'm Christy, a licensed mental health professional working for CIS at Memorial High School. One of our CIS core values is that every student would have a one-on-one relationship with a caring adult, and I'm so grateful to get to be that for our students, especially for those who might not have someone like that outside of school. At Memorial High School, every week we talk with students about issues such as depression, anxiety, self-harm, suicidal ideation, and grief. We strive to be a safe place for our students. We provide individual counseling and facilitate support groups on campus, as well as offer referrals for outside additional mental health support. We're also available for any other needs that might arise: food, rent assistance, tennis shoes, or simply a quiet place to decompress during lunch.
I'm Esther Kwok, a CIS Mobile Mental Health Specialist. In 2019, in response to the growing demand for mental health support for students on campus, CIS piloted a mobile mental health team. We currently have 5 licensed mental health professionals covering 32 campuses across 5 school districts. We provide intensive mental health support for students throughout the school year. We can offer consistent one-on-one mental health counseling and group counseling to students over a course of 8 to 12 weeks. In addition, our campuses are clustered together geographically, which has given me the opportunity to watch students transition from elementary to middle school and middle school to high school, and directly work with families and siblings across the neighborhood. The work we do isn't easy, but it is incredibly rewarding. I feel fortunate to work alongside colleagues every day who are equally passionate about the work we do.
Both Space has been a CIS community partner for several years. In fact, CIS has been an essential part of the long-term growth of the Both Space school-based program. Through this partnership, Both Space provides free grief support on a school campus to students who may not otherwise receive that assistance. The CIS Student Support Manager plays a key role because they form relationship with students and identify those who need grief support. CIS also utilizes Both Space Healing Heart book bags. Experiencing the sudden death of a loved one is associated with lower academic achievement, decreased ability to concentrate and learn, and less enjoyment of school. These book bags contain age-appropriate grief support literature. Both Space is proud to partner with CIS to ensure no student grieves alone.
CIS likes to say, "We do whatever it takes," and has never been more true than this past June in Uvalde. I'm Tanya, and I've worked for communities and schools for 11 years. I was part of a group of licensed CIS mental health professionals who responded to a desperate call for help in response to the Uvalde school shooting. I knew I had to prepare myself for the work ahead. I wasn't sure what I had signed up for, but I knew I had to go. I remember arriving in Uvalde on a Sunday afternoon. You could feel the heaviness all around. You could see it in the faces of the people that you passed. You could immediately understand the impact of this traumatic event. I remember arriving to school early Monday morning because I wanted to greet each student. I wanted to be able to give them a backpack so they can feel prepared. I told all the students about communities and schools, and I assured them that we would be there for the entire summer. Some students were happy to be back, and others were uncertain. CIS made a lasting impression. We all wore CIS t-shirts every day, and by the end of the week, everyone in town knew who we were and what we were doing for the students and families. CIS now has a permanent presence in Uvalde. CIS going where needed, doing whatever it takes.